In this video, I am going to discuss about forest diseases that affects and harm forest as well as natural ecosystem. In Pakistan, forest diseases are harmful conditions that affects trees and other vegetation in forest, often caused by pathogens like fungi, bacteria, viruses or nematodes. These diseases can lead to significant damage, including tree death, weakened forest ecosystem, and disruption to biodiversity. Here are some common types of forest diseases includes pine wilt diseases. Pine wilt disease caused by the nematodes affects several species of pine trees, particularly in the northern regions of Pakistan, such as Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Azad Kashmir areas. The nematodes infects the pine tree's vascular system, leading to rapid wilting, browning of needles, and eventually death. The disease is spread by beetles that carry the nematodes from the tree to tree, causing significant damage to pine forest. Bark beetle infestation. Bark beetles, including pests that attacks coniferous trees in Pakistan mountainous regions. These beetles bore into the bark of trees, disrupting the tree's vascular system and allowing fungi to invade. Infected trees often show signs of red or brown foliage, weakening their resistance to other environment stress. Bark beetles infestation can lead to significant tree mortality in pine forests, such as those found in Swat and Abbottabad areas. Fusarium wilt. Fusarium wilt is caused by the soil-borne fungus, which infects various tree species in Pakistan, particularly in nurseries and plantation areas. The fungus affects the roots and vascular system of the tree, leading to wilting, yellowing of leaves, and eventually death. This disease is common in areas with poor drainage and waterlogged soils. It has a major impact on the health of plantation forests, particularly in regions like the Punjab and Sindh provinces. Cypress canker. Cypress canker caused by fungi affects cypress trees in the dry, warm regions of Pakistan, particularly in the southeastern parts of the country. The disease leads to cankers forming on the bark, which causes tree mortality over time. The fungal pathogens enter the tree through wounds in the bark and disrupt the tree's ability to transport nutrients. This disease threatens the health of cypress plantations in areas like Karachi and parts of Sindh. Powdery mildew. Powdery mildew is caused by a range of fungal species and affects a variety of tree species in Pakistan, including fruit trees like guava and apple, as well as ornamental trees. The fungus forms a characteristic white powdery coating on the leaves, stems, and flower, stunting tree growth and weakening the plant's resistance to other stress. Powdery mildew is prevalent in humid and shaded environments, making it a concern in nurseries and forests located in areas with higher humidity, like the hills of Murree and the Chitral region. Leaf spots disease. Leaf spots disease are caused by various fungal pathogens. These pathogens attack the leaves of a variety of tree species, causing irregular dark spots on the leaves. Over time, these spots lead to the premature leaf drops, affecting photosynthesis and tree vigor. Leaf spot diseases are common in forest and orchards in the subtropical and temperate regions of Pakistan, such as the areas around Sargodha, Rawalpindi, and northern areas of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Root rot. Root rot caused by fungi, and it is a serious threat to the health of trees in many parts of Pakistan. The disease affects the root system, preventing the tree from absorbing water and nutrients, leading to stunted growth, yellowing of leaves, and tree death. Root rot is especially problematic in poorly drained areas, such as valleys and floodplains. This disease affects a wide range of tree species, including conifers and broadleaf trees, making it a significant concern for both natural forests and plantations. Anthracnose. Anthracnose is caused by fungi and affects a variety of trees, particularly fruit trees such as mango, guava, and citrus, as well as ornamental trees in forests. The disease is characterized by dark, sunken lesion on leaves, stems, and fruits. Infected trees experiences defoliation, dieback, and reduced fruit production. The disease is prevalent in the humid and rainy seasons, particularly in the subtropical and tropical areas of Pakistan, like the Sindh and Punjab region. Sudden oak death. Sudden oak death caused by the water mold and is relatively new threat to forests in the northern region of Pakistan, particularly in areas with high humidity like the Himalaya foothills. While the disease primarily affects oak trees, it can also impact other tree species. The disease causes rapid dieback, cankers, and mortality of infected trees. Although still in early stages, sudden oak death could pose a serious risk to the oak species in Pakistan temperate forest if it spreads further. Leaf rust disease. Leaf rust caused by various species of the rust fungus affecting trees in Pakistan. It primarily targets broadleaf trees like eucalyptus and poplar. The fungus produces yellow or orange pustules on the leaves, causing defoliation and weakening of trees. This reduces the tree's ability to photosynthesize and can lead to decreased growth rates and premature death. Leaf rust is particularly problematic in plantations, especially in the Punjab and Sindh regions, where these tree species are commonly grown. Shisham dieback. Shisham dieback is a serious disease affecting Shisham, Dalbergia sisu trees, primarily caused by fungal pathogens often in combination with insect pests such as borers. The disease leads to symptoms like wilting, yellowing of leaves, branch dieback, and premature leaf drop, ultimately weakening and killing the tree's conditions such as drought, poor soil drainage, and improper irrigation contribute to the tree's vulnerability. Shisham dieback has a significant economic and ecological impacts, reducing timber production and causing soil erosion, particularly in Pakistan's Punjab and Sindh provinces. Management involves fungicides, treatments, improved water management, pruning of infected branches, and the development of resistant tree varieties. These forest diseases highlights the challenges that Pakistan faces in protecting its valuable tree species and maintaining healthy forest ecosystems. Efforts to monitor, control, and prevent the spread of these diseases are essential for preserving the biodiversity and economic value of the country's forest. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for the latest updates.